Morning students. Today we can see the chapter 16 data visualizations and using pie plot, line chart and pie chart and bar chart. Part from this chapter we have to discuss about why is data visualization, then what is data visualization, then what is matplotlib, and then what are the types of plot, and then getting started what are the uses in this plot, how we can use. So first of all we want to compare us the human brain can process information easily when it is pictorial or graphical forms. So all of you know, so some of the data are stored in the brain means we can't access easily, but if you are show the picture means we can easily understand, so we can use in the chart here. So the data visualization allows to us to quickly interpret the data and adjust different variables to see their effect. So whatever others seeing this chart, the data is easily understand. For example, we can see here why we can use chart when compare Excel format. So this is the Excel format. So we have a lot of data here, but we have the bar. This is the bar chart. So when compare the both one, which one is easy to understand? The bar chart is easy to understand because it is the pictorial format. So now we have definition of the data visualizations. So is the graphical representation of information and data to communicate information visually to user to easily to understand others. I use statistical graphics also. Numerical data may be encoded by using dot, lines or bars or visually communicate a quantitative message. So it is a very important. So we have to visually easily understand the whatever I am seeing the chart when compare as the Excel chart. So the general types of data visualization we can see now here. First one is chart. This is the one of the example of chart, and then tables, and then graphs. This is the x-axis, y-axis. Then map. Then infographics. The infographic means all the messages are defined in net graphics. Informations are in the graphics is called as infographics. Then dashboard. Dashboard also it is also shown the all the details in this the dashboard. So now we can see the infographics. Infographics is easily called as information graphics. Is a representation of information in a graphic format. So all the details are shown in the graphical structure. Then we can see the dashboard. The dashboard is a collection of resources assembled to create a single unified visually display. Unified all the details. For example, what are the, suppose if you are at the details of the chart, it is given in a 5-part. All the details are given here. So data visualizations and dashboard translate complex idea and a concept into a simple visual format. So the pattern and relationships are that undetectable in text. We can't easily to understand the text, but in the detectable in their glance using dashboard, easily to understand. Just one we can see that data visualizations uses the helps users to analyze and interpret the data easily. What the data is given easily to understand when compares others. For example, if you take one example of the student mark 1, mark 2, we can compare students easily using this one pie plot. We can call as the line chart, pie chart and bar chart also. It makes complex data understandable and usable. So various chart in data visualization helps to show relationship in the data for one or more variables. So these are very important questions. Next one, introduction of matplotlib data visualizations in Python. The matplotlib is the most popular data visualizations library in Python. So first one, it is allows to create chart in few lines of code. This is very important. some other we are using lot of code, but here in the matplotlib we are using create chart in a few lines of coding. So type of visualization in matplotlib, first one is line chart. This is the line chart. This is the scatter chart. The dotted, we have the dotted, it is the scatter chart. Then histogram, so there is no space between that bar. Then box chart is also, so this is the box chart, this is the bar chart, then pie chart. So these are the very important questions. So now we can see the scatter chart. The scatter chart is a type of plot that shows data as a collection of points. This is very important. It's a collection of points. So we have a lot of points now. Dotted we have the position of the points depending on the two-dimensional. We square 2D value. For example, this is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. So it is the 2 points. This is the 1 point, and then here also the point of the coordinations is very important. So the position of the point depends on the two-dimensional value, where each value is positioned on the either in horizontal or vertical dimensions. So we got the x-axis and y-axis. What the value is given, it is joined. It is called as the scatter. So it shows the values also. Then box plot. The plot is the standardized way of displaying the distribution of data based on the 5-number summary: minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and then maximum. This is the box chart. Then after the installation of the Matplotlib software, we have to check which is the version of that one. So first you write in the Python script language, script mode. We are giving the import Matplotlib. So there is no error, it comes to second line. The matplotlib double underscore, very important, double underscore version and the double underscore. So it is the version of the 3.2.0. So what do you mean the pipe plot? The pipe plot is the module in Matplotlib package. So which provides simple functions to add plot elements like lines, images, text, etc. to the current axis in the current figure. What do you mean axis? The lot of axis, it is called as axis. So this is one of the example of the diagram. This is the line chart. So it is called as figure. So it is figure. In this figure we have the x-axis. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. So we have given the name also, x label, y label, and then also we can given as the axis. We can give the title also. So the first point, it is the coordinate, and then second point is coordinate, which one is joined, we got the lines. Then third, for example, this one means 3 4 means 3 3 3. It can join. This is the point. So this is the line chart. For example, you note that what are the uses. Then I given that imported matplotlib in your workspace. You need to display the plot using matplotlib from the within a Python script. You have to give the pyplot show method inside the file to display the plot. I given one example here. Import all the programs written in small letters. So import matplotlib dot pyplot. So I would imported the matplotlib as the pyplot as given as the one of the function is what? PLT. I give the name, whatever you name you like given, and then PLT dot plot. The plot is the basic function. So I given one of this, the 1, 2, 3, 3. This is the x-axis. This is the x-axis. So PLT dot show function is given. So after the given show, what are the output given? It is shown in the figure. So all of you listen carefully here. So I given this one. First one 1 2 3 4. So all of you here in this x-axis ranges from 0 to 3, and the y-axis from that 1 to 4. Why? The single list or array to the plot command single list, this is a single list, no. The plot command, the matplotlib assumes it is a sequence of y values. It is considered as sequence of y values and automatically generate the x values for you. Okay, since Python ranges start with 0, the default x vector has the same length as you but start with the 0. So hence the x data are 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is an example, and then also I given one another examples also. See in that from platform import matplotlib import dot myplot as plt. I given the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So here I given the what is that given? This is the x-axis. First one x-axis, second one is y-axis. So plt show means it is joined coordination of the x-axis and y-axis. One in 1. So starting 1 and then 4. So this is the first line. And the second one pointer 2, 5. 2, 5. Third point 3, 1. 3, 1. So this is the line of this plot. Then plot is the versatile command. We have the lot of commands and will take the arbitrary number of arguments in the plot function. We can using the lot of arguments. For example, to plot x versus y, the import matplot dot as the same thing, but I given the two axes. This is the x axis. This is the y axis. So I already informed the program. Explain the program. This plot takes too many parameters. The plot takes many parameters, but the first two here x and y coordinates. This means you have 4 coordinates. According to this result, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 2, 4, 3, 9, and 4, 6. This is the line. All of this 1, 2. This one, and then 2, 4, and then 3, 9, 3, 9, and then 4, 16. So after finishing, you draw the line means first of all you get like this line chart, line plot. Here also I give you the same like that. I given one of the another example. Here I given the label also. I am not giving the name of the x-axis and y-axis. I give the name. So how do you give it that? Plt dot y label, plt dot x label, and in this bracket within the double quotes we can give the values. As the same like that title also we give the examples. All I show means. And then plotting of 2 lines also. Plotting the 2 lines. To plot the 2 lines using the following code. X, this is the one line and this is one another line. So we plot x, y. You are giving the plot. First one is the coordinates. No, x and y. The label is line 1. The label is line 2. So the line. This is the first line. This is the second line. I give the values. Okay, all of you can understand. X and y plot plt dot plot x comma y label line 1, and then plt dot plot x2 comma x2 y2 comma label equal to line is the second line. I give the axis of this x as usual, the x axis, y axis, plt line graph. The legend means in the top of the right side it show the name. What is the name of that line? Suppose if we give the color also we will show. In this output I will show you. This is the legend. Okay, what are the colors we have? This is it is shown in the legends. So as usual x axis, this is the y axis, this is the title, this is the legend. So this is the first line, this is the first line, this is the second line. So okay, remaining part of this chapter we can see in the second part. Thank you.